There's 100 ways you can
Dated.
do residential real estate in League City. How hard is it to make a page on your website? Anybody know? Kuval, you still there?
Pretty easy.
Pretty easy. Even Deb's saying pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty easy.
Yeah,
How?
because where's Will? Will's on here somewhere too. I'm just going to call Will.
All right, Will, where are you at? But that's the thing, guys. Now,
Maybe
does
he's
it
not.
sound like we need something that's like crazy, revolutionary? Do these all need to be different pages on your website? Or could it be basically a template? Think about it. If you have 100 ways to do real estate in League City, Deb, what's another area that you cover?
Uh, Dickinson, Seabrook, Friendswood, Pearland.
Okay,
The
Friendswood, I
list
love it.
goes
Great
on.
name. Perfect. So if you do 100 pages on the different types of real estate that you do and that your team is the best at in League City, and then you do another 100 pages in Friendswood, that's 200 pages, right? Do you think that's going to be a lot more than any of your competitors have set up? Do you think it's going to be more specific? And here's the best part. When you're writing a blog, Kirby, is it best practice to interlink a, clickable link on whatever you're doing in that blog post if you do it? So if you're the best at downsizing and you're writing a blog about downsizing, isn't it going to help SEO to link to your own website to that specific section and page?
Yes, yes, yes.
Guys, this is where, again, this is the lab. We're testing things. This is what I'm calling phase two. I'm not saying that you have to go crazy doing all of it, but imagine if you just looked at all the different types of real estate that you want to do in your areas. You looked at and figured out how to make a template out of it, where all you're basically doing is swapping out the type and the area, and the rest is kind of self-sufficient. All you have to do is go make a bunch of those pages, and it's that pattern, it's that template. And guys, how many of you do every single task? Well, it must be all of you because you all leverage talking on that one. Lee, I see you're asking about overspreading on CEO that can hurt us. Are there cons for seeing? No, this is where it's basically just drill down, where this is,
I
you
kind of
know,
want to know what the argument was between you and Kirby, though. Like, what was he like? No, that doesn't make any sense. We're not going to do.
no,
No, okay.
it's more like
We're not going to do
you're
100 pages for every city that you
no,
command.
it was more about the fact that I want you guys to do too much and that, he thinks he's prettier than me and Canada's better than Boston, just all the things. I
Uh,
mean, but it mostly came down to like, hey, are we asking too much? And he wanted to make sure that you guys didn't get overwhelmed. And me, I just want to overwhelm you guys.
got it.
Can
And so,
I,
so once you
can,
create that template, then you just like I
Right.
said, copy and paste, different
Cop.
name.
Yeah. Different name, different area.
Yep, got it.
Because what you're basically doing is you're creating drill downs because where are you going to find all these things? Well, you go to the community, it's going to be under the community. It's like an umbrella.
and Kirby, when you use ChatGPT 5.2, that's a different program that you also subscribe to?
No, it's the same one you have.
Okay,
Okay, it's the newest version of ChatGPT.
got it.
So, Joe, I'll show you a cheat sheet where you can find the categories. How about that?
Perfect. I love it.
Okay.
Yeah, Joe would love to see that.
Okay. Well, Kirby is going to do that for us.
So you go to your business here
Yep.
on Google, and it's going to say, well, here's your business on Google. And
Hmm.
then there's an edit service here, right?
Yep.
I click it, and it basically gives you all these categories that Google says real estate agents services are, right? So
Hmm.
I thought to myself one day, well, each one of these should be a blog post. And if
Hmm.
there's a blog post, I could put it into these categories. Like, for example, remember I said senior downsizing, right?
Yep.
So that's a category. So I said, I want to specialize in this. So I click it and I write in, we support seniors. And I even put in my blog. See?
Yep.
I don't know about anybody
Well,
else, but all I'm looking at is a blank screen or black screen with Kirby's picture in the.
We see it. I
Oh,
see it.
let's try it again.
I saw it, Kirby.
No, I
Yeah.
saw it.
Here you go. Okay. Rick, you working now? Okay. So then I put my website here inside of the services. Now, again, this is Real Estate Lab, right? So that's why I think that's why if I put Richmond Hill downsizing now, that it goes up here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So you
4.
write the services and you put the link to your website in the link to your services.
Yep.
Yeah, so go to the services and just make sure you write a blog post or like a service category, a page on your website with all of these, and then put the link back into it. First-time home
The
buyer,
link to the blog or the link to your site?
the link to my site. So for example, I
Oh,
didn't.
the link to the blog, the link to the blog.
So we didn't do this one yet, right? So let's see. So we go here, services, first-time home buyers, right? I'll take that. I'll put it here at the end. So there you go. Save it. So now they connect, right? My services in my Google Business profile has a link that connects to my website. We're gonna watch this for a couple of days and see if I rank up for first-time home buyers, okay?